Hi guys. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we provides the step-by-step process for Netgear Nighthawk RAXE500 router firmware update. Let's start the process. First, connect your computer to your router with an Ethernet cable, launch a web browser and enter routerlogin.net into the address bar. The router login window displays. Here, enter the router admin details like username and password. After login, click on Advanced, then Administration or Settings, then choose the Administration option. Click Firmware Update or Router Update. Click Check. The router searches for new firmware. If new firmware is available, click Yes. Selecting the new firmware and click Upgrade. The router updates and restarts. The firmware update process can take a few minutes. If you face any issue or need any assistance, then you can reach us. Thanks for watching.